Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Buy these dates. Fresh dates.
Abu Jassim, Abu Jassim, where are you going in such a hurry? Be patient, brother, where are you going?
I'm sorry, I am not in my senses. I am angry. Let me go.
Let's sit for a while. Drink water.
I will not go home. I'm not excited.
Why are you angry?
Because of your Imam, Imam Baqir, son of Imam Sajjad.
Because of Imam? Why, what happened?
He answers whatever I ask him.
There is nothing wrong with that. Let's go. I have left my belongings for Allah. Well, you're worried because he know everything. It's weird. This is a good thing. This is not bad.
That's enough. This thing bothers me a lot.
Think about it, brother. Why does this thing bother you?
Are you asking me the principles of religion?
You yourself know that you are under the delusion of Umayyads. Open your eyes and judge for yourself, brother.
I am not telling it myself. Muslim caliphs are against him, don't you see?
I know that you don't know. Do you think that the Umayyads will praise the family of the Prophet? Use common sense. May God curse the nation that is destroying people's thoughts.
Why are you standing up? What happened?
That Syrian man.
I know. I will see him. Don't say anything to him. He will come, ask questions and leave.
He is very abusive.
I know. But he does not disrespect you. Right? Do not worry. Go.
Peace be upon you.
Peace be upon you. Come here, brother.
I'm fine here. I will not be your supporter like this.
Why is that, brother?
There will be no enemy of you and your family more than me in this world.
Then why do you come to the mosque? You sit among us and listen to our words.
Because you have a lot of knowledge and wisdom.
Then you should come here every day. We will be happy to have you. We love those who seek knowledge.
You have high fever. Let's drink some water.
Hello, brother.
Hello.
Sit down, we were waiting for you.
He is definitely that Syrian man.
No, but it seems he looks exactly like him. Hello, brother.
Hello, brother.
What about the Syrian man?
No news about him. Didn't even see him in the market.
God willing, hope he will be safe and sound.
How is he, mother?
Not in good condition, son.
What to do now, mother?
I don't know. Nothing can happen to him.
Mother, will he get better?
I don't know. Son, go to the service of Imam Baqir and ask him to come here. Please go.
It is midnight. Where will I find Imam?
He must be in the mosque offering night prayers. Go, son.
I'll be back soon.
Lord, enlighten the hearts of your servants with the light of faith. Amen.
Help me. My father's condition is very bad. Help us. I cannot able to see him in this condition. Please help.
Don't worry, son, you go, I will come soon. O my Lord, you are merciful. Rejoice the heart of this boy and heal his father.
It's hot, it's very hot.
May God help my father's condition. He must be Imam.
God, I'm burning.
God, heal all the sick. Don't worry, his condition will get better soon. Keep your trust on Allah. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Come here, daughter. Thank God. My daughter, your father is feeling much better.
Alhamdulillah, you are well.
First I dreamed, then I got well.
What kind of dream?
A man came and with his arrival the whole atmosphere turned into a garden. I was given cold water. I drank it and got well. I was dying but then I was healed.
That man was Imam.
Son of Imam Sajjad.
When the Imam came to know that you are ill, he visited here after prayers.
The one I always disrespected and persecuted. He saved me from death. Oh my God. I used to insult the Imam. But when Imam came to know about my illness, he came to visit me saying that I am a servant of Allah.
What do you want?
Advise me.
Love all human beings and help them.
Imam is going to the mosque. Everyone go to the mosque.
Please wait so that everyone comes. Hello, welcome. Alhamdulillah, you are well.
O Imam, I saw death with my own eyes and got life through your prayers. I'm ashamed.
I am not angry. But whatever you do next, do it for the sake of Allah.
He will soon be one of the companions of the Imam. Yes, the love of the Imam has affected my father's heart. He now believes in him.
Forgive me, O Imam.
May Allah forgive you and make your livelihood lawful.
This family attracts people's hearts with kindness that their love always increases. Yes, the love of this family is the like part of heaven.